Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Aoife, it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be doing like a quick video. This is something that I haven't seen on YouTube before. It is kind of like a very new product and not many people would like hear of it before. But this is, as you may know, KYRA from OK Baby. I've been watching them for years. I've been watching them since Levi was only like 2 months old or something. She actually came out with a lipstick. I haven't heard of the brand she collabed with, but I wanted to support her. I supported KK and Baby J, Karen and KYRA when they came out with their merch hoodies, so I have a video of me unboxing that, I think. And I couldn't afford their merch came out around the same time, and I decided to buy KK and Baby J's, and I couldn't afford at the time OK Babies, so when she came out with this lipstick it was a lot cheaper, so I decided I would support her on this. So the brand is IGXO Cosmetics. I'm not even sure what that stands for. I have opened the box just to make it easier so I'm not struggling on camera. So when you open the box, the little logo is in here and a black card, and then if you lift the black card you have the black wrapping with the lipstick, I'm guessing. So this black card has the symbol, and then it has it just says fuck yeah. It says it's cruelty free and vegan, which is very, very good. And then it's just a little card and it says 50% off your next order if you enter this coupon. It only goes for 30 days, so I don't think I'll be using that. Yeah, if you want a coupon to get this thing, it is just FY50, just because I'm not going to be using it, so whoever gets it first can have a free lipstick on me. Well, 50% off lipstick. So the lipstick is in this black wrapper, and at the bottom there is my like shipping notice kind of thing. So this lipstick is called Baby by KYRA SIVERTSON. I did this on the 26th of July. I'm not sure when this uploaded, but that was about 2 weeks ago, but I did actually get it like 4 days after I ordered it. And this has come from America. I live in Ireland, so that's like a really, really fast shipping date, like packaging and shipping and delivering. It's like unbelievably fast from America. Normally I'd have to wait like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna open this black packaging. It's just paper. Oh my god, wow. And this is the packaging. It is so, so beautiful. It's so like unique. And then you open it up, it's like a metal, like a magnet kind of thing. And the lipstick is in here. I think this is so classy. I love how her name's in gold and it's striped. I think it's really, really nice. So it has information on the back, like how it's like a matte liquid lipstick and stuff. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, the side of it is really cool as well. It has the shade in Baby. Hopefully she comes out with more shades. I'd love to see that. So this is the actual lipstick. It's like gold rimmed and you can see the colour through it. It has no like name or anything on the top or anything, so I don't have any lipsticks like this anyway, so I'd remember that it was hers. But I might keep the box just in case. So the colour of it's really, really beautiful. I'll swatch it for you. I have shades like this from other brands, but I really, really wanted to support her, so I got it, even though I had other shades like this. So I have layered on a thick stripe so you can see it, and that is the shade. It is super, super pretty, as you can see, and it's like glossy now, but it will dry matte. I'm pretty happy with this. I really, really love the colour. If I was buying a lipstick, I'd normally go for this kind of colour, this kind of shade, or else a little bit lighter, just because I feel like it looks the best on me for like if I was going anywhere or anything. But this is a really, really cute shade, so I'm happy that I got it. I'm so happy for KYRA that she finally released her merch. I feel like this is a big thing for her because she started off with like a pregnancy channel, and then if you remember K Baby, then she started getting into beauty and stuff, but she got like busy and stuff, and OK Baby was really like the main income and stuff, so she tried hard on that instead of I keep saying KK Baby J instead of K Baby, but I really am happy for her because I know she's still very into makeup and stuff. Yeah, it's drying down. Well, it doesn't look like it on camera, but I can feel it, that it's drying down, especially on the edges. But I am very, very happy with that. I will insert a picture of it completely dried down. So this is the lipstick. It's turned matte. It's kind of a little bit shiny, but it has turned matte. Off camera you can see it better, but it's a really, really beautiful shade. I'm so excited to use this. It's pretty much all for the video. So I know this is a really, really quick video and some people might not even know her, but I just wanted to, like, I don't know, celebrate her. I feel like she's one of my best friends. It sounds really weird, but like, I've just supported her for so long. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.